everybody, it's me again, Windmaster 5000, and this time I'm gonna play a new song. It's a song that I came up with. It's Selena Gomez, Year Without Rain on the Dragon Tooth 12-hole ocarina. And I learned how to play this song all by myself. I haven't seen anyone else play it, so I learned how to play it. And yeah, so Selena Gomez, Year Without Rain on the 12-hole ocarina. So there's A Year Without Rain by Selena Gomez on the 12-hole Dragon Tooth ocarina. And now I'm going to play it on the plastic ocarina. So there it is. A Year Without Rain on Selena Gomez. I only know how to play some of it, but not all of it yet. So hopefully you like this video. Bye.